Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Friday this time, April the 5th. We have another Amazon unboxing to do. Hopefully you guys are safe. Everybody made it through this week alright. It is Friday. And today we got just one in. This is coming from CALLANY, I think. Not sure what this is though. But of course, you guys can get one at a low cost. Click on the links down below. Check them out. Take advantage of the Amazon Prime. Fast shipping. Get this in no time. We have here, oh boy. Professional microphone. Yeah, buddy. Open from here. Here we go. Nice and easy. Bada boom. Raise you guys up. Drop you guys down. There we go. Open it together. Ooh. Check them out. CALLANY. Amazon. Microphone. User guide. Oh boy. We got this thing. What is this? Interesting. We got one of them filters, I believe it's called. We got connectors, tripod stand, and we got the mic. And these are like the ones you can sing through. Pretty cool. And here's a tripod. Cut here. There we go. Come on. There we go. The mini tripod. Bands. Bada boom. Hope you guys can see. I can't back it up. There we go. Here's a tripod. And let me get this set up a little bit nicer. Nice and easy for you guys. Oops. There we go. Got that undone. Rip these out a little faster. I don't think it's going to be a long video today. It's going to be short, nice and easy. Oh, you like it. There we go. Got this. There we go. I believe something like this. Oh, somehow I can't see. Let's see. Oh, there we go. Nice and easy. Bada boom. Oops. And it's all good. Maybe it's locked in. Actually. Boom. Oops. There we go. Sure what I'm doing. I think that's how you go. Hold on. A little chimichanga. That down a sec. If I screwed it up. But I know what this is. This is the filter noise reduction. There we go. This is cool. Boom. Just gotta remember everything goes. Might actually have to bring out the directions. Yeah, there we go. Something like this, I do believe. Where's the manual? Let me see if I'm doing anything wrong. Does it show? Did I miss the manual somewhere? Huh. take this out. Hopefully I can nail it. Oh boy. Oh. Okay. I got these rubber bands that are blocking the hole. So drop it. Okay. Now we might be getting somewhere. Alright. Nice and easy. And drop the USB through. Like so. Get the stand rolling at least. What you guys can see. But almost there. Something different. I think that's how it goes. Maybe not. Oh boy. Oh wow. Okay. See? Bada boom. Microphone check. 1 2 1 2. And somehow see, once you get the screwed in, you guys will put it like this. Somehow. You know, you guys catch my drift, but this is then. You put it right here, so you can block it. You can just rap into it or speak for your podcast, your gaming streams. But definitely like that. You go like that, and boom, get the mic right there. Really cool. So thank you guys for sending me this mic over at CALLANY, Amazon. Check them out, YouTubers. You guys be safe. Have a great weekend, and hopefully I guys see you guys soon. If not, be safe and see ya. Clean up a little bit. There we go. All right, see ya.